Good students, today I am going to teach you about rounding number to the nearest 100. Okay? And here you know that 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If during taking the estimate value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terminate from the given number, then add +1 add in the left number of the terminating number. Here +1 add in the left number. Okay, but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 terminating time no add +1 in the left number. Okay, here as the nearest 100, rounding number to the nearest 100 as nearest to 100 number. Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 8 nearest value. 8, 4, 5, 6. Here nearest value of 100. In this case, ones and tens value will be 0. Digit will be 0. And observe, here 5, 6 digit will be 0. In this case, 6 terminate +1 add in 5 left number and 5 terminate, then give +1 or add +1 in left number. Okay, here 6 terminate, give +1 5 and this makes 6, and 6 terminate from tens place, then it's give +1 of 4 or +1 add in 4. Then write its nearest value 500. Okay, student, according to this rule. Here 7, 4, 8, 8 terminate, give 4, 8 terminate and 8 give its +1. Add +1 4 make 5 and 5 terminate from here and give its +1. Then it's make 8. Then its nearest value is nearest value, and this here nearest value is 500 of this, and this is nearest value of this. And here in this case nearest value of 100. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, but we take only here 100 place digit. Then here 6 terminate, give it add 1, 6 and 6 terminate here, then it's +1 add in left side number, +1. +1 it's terminate, give +1 4 and 4 make 5. But here 8 is no difference. It save of the place. 8 and here 5 5 0 0 0. Okay, Thus we determine the nearest value of the given number of this type. Okay, student. After this, nearest value 1000. Nearest value 1000. Okay, here 8475. Its nearest value is. Here observe that once tens 100 place digit will be 0, and here 574. Here 5 terminate from here, then it give it plus 1 7 plus 1 8, and 8 terminate from here, it give its 8 terminate and give plus 1 add in 4. Thus 4 plus 1 5. If 7 terminate, then plus 1 give 4. Thus 4 plus 1 make 5, and 5 terminate from here, then it give it plus 1. Then write here 9000. Okay, but here is 4, but this terminate give it plus 1. Then it make 5, and 5 terminate from here, then it's add 8 plus 1 by this rule. Okay. After this, here 9 3 9 8. Its nearest value. Here 8 9 3. 8 terminate, give 1 10 and 10, and its terminate here, its give 1 4, but 4 terminate here. Here 8 10 0, and 0 plus 1 4, and 1 terminate 0 terminate from here, not give here 4. It 3 plus 1 4. 9 terminate, it give it 4, but 4 is less than 5, then not add in 9. Not add plus 1 in 9. Then we write here 9. Okay, student. And here 2578. Its nearest value. Once it terminate is add plus 1, 8 terminate here, add its, then 5 plus 1 6. 6 terminate here, its give plus 1. Then here 3 0 0. 8 7 5 is 0. Thus we determine the value of the nearest value 1000 if given numbers are thus. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on the basis of this rule. And tens, nearest to tens, nearest to 10. Here 25 nearest value is 5 terminate and give it plus 1. Okay, and here 4 7, here 4 1 7. Its terminate value is in tens. Here 4 is safe, but ones and tens and ones observe. Here take a 1. 7 terminate, give it 1. Then here 4 to 0. Okay, student, and here 5 1. Its nearest value is. Its nearest value is 1 terminate not give 5 1. then we write here 50. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on the basis of this rule. Okay, student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.